Good, mo- Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are on chapter 6, starting of business studies of class 12th. Today, we will going to discuss methods of training, that is on the job training and off the job training. In my previous lecture, we have already discussed about training. Training means equipping the employees with the requisite skills to perform the job. The candidates are sent for training so that they can perform the job in the expected manner. Now, training are of two types. One is on the job training and off the job training. When the employees are trained while they are performing the job, then it is known as on the job training. Under this method, the employee learn by doing. This method is suitable for only technical jobs, and in the advantage of this method is employee can learn the practical problems while working on the jobs. Now, what is off the job training? Off the job training means training the employees by taking away from their work position, which means employees are given a break free from job and sent for training purposes. This method of training is more suitable for managerial jobs rather than technical jobs. Now, what are the different techniques for on the job training? As you are seeing on my whiteboard, I have mentioned three techniques for on the job training: apprenticeship program, internship, induction training. Starting with apprentice program, the workers seeking to enter skilled jobs are sent for apprenticeship training program, which is on the job method of training. In this program, a master worker or trainer is appointed who guides the worker or learner regarding the skill of job. The master worker performs the job and trainee observe him performing. When the learner learns all the skill, then slowly they start taking up the job. Now, what is internship? Internship is an agreement between the professional institute and the corporate sector, where professional institute send their students to various companies so that they can practice the theoretical knowledge acquired by them through professional institute. Last is induction or orientation training. Induction or orientation is a process of receiving and welcoming an employee when he first joins the company and giving him the basic information he needs to settle down quickly and happily and start the work. The purpose of this training program is to make the new employee feel comfortable at home and develop a sense of belongingness. Proper orientation enables the new employee to have a good start and develop his overall effectiveness on the job. Now, the last is off the job training. As we have discussed earlier, off the job training means training the employee by taking them away from their work position, which means employees are given a break from job and sent for training purposes. This method is more suitable for managerial jobs rather than technical jobs. So, as I have already mentioned, vestibule schools. Vestibule schools means duplicate model of an organization. Generally, when the expensive and delicate machineries are involved, then employer avoid using on-the-job methods of training. A dummy model of machinery is prepared, and instead of using the original machinery, employees are trained on dummy model. Sometimes the accountant who have to make entries in the inventory registered or cash registered, they are first supplied the duplicate register with the same column as in the original register, and when they become perfect in making the entries in duplicate register, then they are hand over with the original register by giving perfection and command. So we can say that vestibule school is an off the job method of training which makes the use of benefit on the job model. Training is done in the dummy or a duplicate model. It is suitable in case when the machinery, assets or equipments are delicate and very complex to understand its working and its process, and they are expensive, which means they are costlier and they are of high-tech technology. If that type of machinery you are having, then employer will always choose for the of the job training. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.